Okay guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Wow. The weather today is not quite very good. So we are walking towards the Nottingham Christmas market. This is gonna be my first video on this Christmas market in Nottingham. So remember where I'm standing now. So a lot of shops here have gone up. A lot of people also is around the Christmas market as well. So you're gonna have noise, which is normal from the music on the background within the Christmas market as well. So I hope probably if you can be able to find people who want to as well to contribute on the video, which it will be good to find people who want to contribute on the video as well. So I'm in front of Zara. Today is about 23rd of November, and you're gonna find a lot of people who are doing their Christmas shopping, which quite a lot of people. So, and you have this guy on my front, which is always here in Nottingham. He was always here in Nottingham. If you look up there, you got loads of people. So you got loads of people as well. So this is the Christmas market on my front there. So that is where we're gonna have to be going. All right, that is where we have to be going, to the Christmas market, to see what really is going on, you know. Yeah. The weather is a little bit cold. Remember, the weather is a little bit cold, so everything starts from here. Everything starts from here. I'm not gonna appear in the video much, so to be able to give you guys opportunity to be able to see what I see. I'm not gonna appear in the video much, so this is the first place you see when you're coming in on the Christmas market anywhere. This is where you get all your chocolate. If you're a fan of people who like chocolate, it's quite beautiful. So you have a place here you can buy the stuff you need as well. I think this year Christmas market was not like last year. Last year was a little bit different. Last year was a little bit different. Last night I came in here last night. It was quite a little bit. How you doing? Yeah, all right. You know, how you doing? Yesterday when I came in, the video was not. When I was last night, you know, I was here last night, all right. Yes. So the video was not good. So I have to come back. Everywhere. You know. Yeah. So I'm just gonna walk around a little bit, and then I'll come back to you later. All right. All right. So let's walk around a little bit. I'm not gonna talk much on this video, and I'll see what happened. Anyway, sorry. We are shooting the video on super wide, you know. So you got all this stuff here, and quite nice anyway. I think it's a cutting board, isn't it? How you doing? All right. Yeah, it's a cutting board, and probably all this is handmade. It's quite handmade. You got things you can buy to be able to, you know, when you're trying to do your food, or stuff like this as well, your coffee or anything. And you got your chairs. You see, all this is made from wood as well, you know, which is nice. You know. I think what happened last year, by this time last year, the weather was not really very good. You know, the weather was not really very good. So And today, which is the weather is very good, so let's use the opportunity to be able to walk around a little bit. I think the video might be very long. Remember, it's gonna be something like part 1, part 2 on this video. So for you guys to see what is really going on, so you can come back and be able to do your shopping on, you know, you can come back and do your shopping as well when you are in Nottingham. When you are in Nottingham, so you can come back and do your shopping as well, you know. It's quite, the weather is quite very good to be able to shoot the video on this weather, so we can be able to get the quality video as well. Yesterday I was here, but the weather was not that good yesterday. The video quality was not really good. But it was, yes, last night was so busy. Today it's a little bit quiet. You can get your kebab and other stuff around this area as well. I think it depends on the stuff you want. Yesterday was really busy. Today is a little bit quiet, which is very good, being a quiet day. So we've gone the first line, so let's go back this way so we can find out more what they are doing. All right? Hi. So we can find out more. So remember, if it's your first time to come to Nottingham Christmas Market, it's not quite really big. We're still in November, so a lot of people have not kicked in to do their Christmas shopping yet. So people are still waiting to get paid for November, and then they can be able to do their shopping as well. So I think this is what's really going on. So a lot of people are waiting. So most of the people you see here, just like a habit of, you know, trying to be able to do their shopping on Christmas. This is 2025. We did the same thing last year as well, you know.
That's the problem. No, I just refused to buy it. You know, when I put the Christmas tree away in January, I said I wanted to.
Remember, most of this Christmas market is just very close to Victoria Centre, very close to Primark in Nottingham, along the Nottingham Market Square. It's not massive and it's quite okay. You can come here and buy the stuff, and they can put your name or the name of the person you want to give it as a gift as well. You can do that. It's your choice. The pizza place has been here for many years. You know, you can get your pizza, different type of pizza you want to get. They have been there for many years. So in my front there is a place you can be able to go and get yourself stuff like mulled wine, and it's not busy here. I'm surprised. I know it's still early, but I'm really surprised that yesterday evening when I came in here, it was absolutely smashed. But today, it was like a little bit quiet. You know, it was not really like yesterday. It was not really like yesterday. Today was a little bit quiet, you know. Yesterday was like, yesterday was different. Yesterday was different, you know. So, if you want to get yourself like a scarf, you know, like the type of the one I'm wearing right now, if you want to get yourself a scarf or anything, you can see the price there. You can see the price there. I think it depends what type of scarf you want. You can buy some gift for your families as well. You know, you can get a gift. I think this is kind of a British cheese. You know, that's what they do here, the British cheese. So you got this stuff they are doing. I think it's like handmade. You know, all this is handmade. All right. I think they got different type of handmade stuff. You can hang up your Christmas as well. You know, different one. You know. All this is probably handmade design, so you can get your stuff you want for your Christmas trees. Remember, we have already been, my video started from here. All right. My video started from here, so we've been part of this side already. The weather today is quite different. Chocolate. So I'm gonna stop the video here, and so we can be able to move to the other session where we can do more. Thank you guys. Like the video and also subscribe to the channel. So let's move to the other session as well. You know, for the video. Thank you.